Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am glad to review this sample provided by Else Nutrition. So it's a vanilla cereal. This is how it looks. The package is 7 ounces. It does the serving amount is 3 tablespoons, 60 calories. It has here the vitamins and the minerals, and also the 2 grams of protein and carbohydrates. So I like this on my toddler because it's very clean, and all you do is place 3 tablespoonfuls in water or formula, and you mix it and you serve it with spoon. This is how it looks. It's plant powder. I like it. I enjoy giving my toddler a clean nutrition. I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you for watching my video.